Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. And like I stated, we're starting to see it, guys. Hopefully, I'm opening that third eye for you. Now, of course, we get into the funny articles first, and we have a lot of them, but I'm only going to do 3. Now, basically, we have stock market down because of why? The C word. And what did I tell you guys? They're going to play this. They're going to play it like a violin. And then the other funny article is that we have China and Russia is silent on the Biden win. Guys, we know they're trying to play the war. The World War III is coming up. And we know Biden is going to stand off because they have to get it started. We didn't have any wars under Trump. Whole 4 years with no wars. You know they're upset, guys. Now we have Deutsche Bank states that we should do a 5% tax on people working from home. That's right, guys. A 5% convenience tax. Guys, is amazing. Even to come out with something like that is amazing. Now let's get over into the stock news and stocks, guys. We have Pizza Hut and McDonald's. I went over McDonald's yesterday, but it's Pizza Hut and McDonald's are going to be moving over to plant-based meats. So guys, remember, a vegetarian eats fruits and vegetables, not GMO. But then also, they don't want any type of meat, especially this technician meat, guys. Remember, Bill Gates is behind Beyond Meats, guys, just to let you know. And guys, we're going to go over a couple of Asian stocks. Of course, we have Tencent, and then also we have Foxconn. Guys, Tencent had $5 billion in profits in the quarter. That is out of this world. We saw Alibaba's like $56 billion in sales in one day, guys. In one day. Out of this world. I'm telling you, the Asian markets, you got to remember, is that a lot of them are in poverty right now. Imagine when cryptocurrency, and they can airdrop all this money, the money that's going to be over there. Please pay attention to this, guys, especially if you're a small business. If you can make your way over into the Asian markets, sky is the limit. Now, we have Walmart. This is a funny article, but this is serious. We have Walmart adding the dog walking and pet sitting inside of their repertoire. So, guys, we know that Walmart, looking at the stock, they have much room to grow because we see these corporations. We're allowing these corporations to get so big, moving all small businesses out. That is our doing. We're our own demise, guys. We have Moderna also going up again today. So we saw Pfizer go down. We saw the CEO sell all the stock. They made this announcement saying that it's 90% effective, but the fact is that the stock is going down. Pfizer stock is going down. Moderna is going up. So something is definitely planned out there. We know how the New World Order works. Now, in India, guys, India approves Google's $4.5 billion deal with Reliance Jio platform. Now, we saw, I think it was maybe 6 months ago, where they approved $5 billion from Facebook. Guys, nothing but a game. And then also we see that Amazon is putting in a actual, trying to block the actual deal when it comes to this. But their ticker is RELI. So guys, make sure you're watching now. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you have Google, Amazon trying to get in, Facebook is already in, something is going on. And we know why, because India is like the biggest market. But then also, guys, we have Bitcoin going over 16,000. Make sure you're checking my Crypto Teacher channel out. Plain and simple, guys. Cryptos are going to move in. That is going to be our new money. I did a video yesterday. It's showing you how you're going to get paid. Your employer is going to pay you Bitcoin, XRP, whatever altcoin that they're going to use. But they're definitely going to get paid in cryptos. And then also, PayPal has made it available for everybody in the United States to be able to purchase cryptos. Now, me personally, I wouldn't buy it from PayPal because you can't withdraw it, plain and simple. So I wouldn't do that, but because right now they don't even have any custody yet. So that wouldn't make any sense to me. But the fact is that it's definitely available. Of course, you have plenty of platforms. You can buy it and take it off the exchange and make sure you store it because anything can happen to PayPal. But cryptos are definitely in the future, guys. Please make sure you check out the Crypto Teacher channel. Now we have Neo again blasting off, guys. Said this from the beginning when I started. Please make sure you're doing your research on electric vehicles. Right now, Neo is making all-time highs. We know it's billions of people again over there. Neo, of course, is a Chinese company, guys. Neo is going to have plenty of room to run. And remember, I told you that. Now, we have Huawei, of course, the 5G player. It's definitely 5G is just getting started. Make sure you're doing your research because you don't necessarily have to invest in these big telecom companies. There's a lot of technology that's going into it and those smaller companies you can invest into. And of course, I've been over that also in my previous videos. Now, guys, getting over into the technicals. We have yields that were down today. We had the dollar down today, but what was up? The VIX, that's right. The VIX sensed it. So, of course, the VIX went up. Of course, the stock market went down. And, guys, anytime we get up to this 28, 29, like I stated, we start to overheat. We know the only reason why we're up this high is because the Fed is buying everything. Plain and simple. The Fed is buying everything. And, of course, they're getting BlackRock to buy everything also. So, the fact is that if these repo operations don't get extended, of course, the stock market is going to tank. Just like I said, the first quarter of the year, they tank anyway. Plain and simple, because we know businesses are making moves. They don't want to do capital gains, all that good stuff. But the fact is that we're definitely going to head lower at the beginning of the year, and we'll have another correction this year. Now, in December is going to be very, very important. Very important, because basically if we get this stimulus at the holiday, so we get a stimulus, Europe get a stimulus, that means that we're going to take off in December. So yes, we may get a minor correction right now, but if those two get approved, stimulus in the United States and stimulus in Europe, we'll take blast off in December again. Remember, guys, liquidity is what keeps the market up. Liquidity is what takes Bitcoin up to its highs. Once the Fed shrinks that liquidity, then all markets drop. Now, guys, lastly, basically, we have PS sold out online. So, guys, we know PlayStations, Xboxes, because of this C word. And then we have virtual reality coming in. And remember, I told you, instead of you flying to that exotic island, you will be sitting on your couch with virtual reality. It's definitely coming, guys, and it's coming fast. But that's all I have for you guys. Please make sure that you spread this channel everywhere. Don't forget to check out the Crypto Teacher channel, so therefore you can learn the new economy. Y'all have a wonderful day.